Hello, my dear students. So, this is video lecture number 6. So, in this video, we discussed about what is analytical method of vector addition. In the last video, we discussed about how we add two vectors or more than two vectors. But if we calculate the formula for any two resultant vector, then what we need or what is the procedure to calculate. So first analytical method is that triangular law of vector addition. So students, all of you write the first heading, that is triangle law of vector addition. Triangle law of vector addition. Okay, so triangle law of vector addition. First, write the what is the definition for triangle law, and after that, I will explain you how we add two vectors. So, if two vectors, all of you write, if two vectors are represented in magnitude and direction by the two sides of the triangle. The two sides of the triangle taken in the same order. Taken in the same order, then their resultant, then their resultant is represented by the third side of the triangle taken in opposite order. Taken in opposite order. Okay. So what does it means or how we calculate? So first, in triangle law of vector addition. So in triangle law of vector addition, if we represent two vectors in magnitude and direction by the two sides of a triangle. Suppose one side is in this way, vector A, and the other side is in this way. Okay. So the resultant is represented by the third side taking in opposite order. So this is the result. Okay. So if this is vector A, this is vector A, this is the vector B, then this is vector R. Direction is what? Opposite order. Regular order is come in this way, but vector R direction is what? Opposite order. Then this is the resultant. Okay. So if we calculate the formula for resultant, then first we understand what is vector A and what is vector B. So this is the vector A. 1 minute. This is the vector A, and this is vector B. And resultant is represented by black color. So this is the result. Okay. So this is vector A, this is the vector A, this is vector B, and this is the resultant capital R. So if we want to calculate, then first we show the angle between these two vectors. So this is the angle theta. So if we Complete the triangle by drawing perpendicular. So this is point P. Let us take an example. This is point Q, and this is point R, and this is the point S. So in triangle PQR, in triangle PQR, if we write sine theta, what is the value of sine theta? Sine theta is the perpendicular. Perpendicular is what? PQ upon hypotenuse, that is RP. So from here we get sine theta equal to PQ we want to calculate, and RP value is what? RP is the magnitude of vector P. So PQ we get PQ equal to B sine theta. Okay, and in the same manner, if we want to calculate cos theta, so cos theta is the RQ upon RP. So from here we get RQ equal to RP cos theta. RP cos theta, and RP cos theta is what? B. So we got B cos theta. PQ and RQ, we find PQ is B sin theta and RQ is B cos theta. Now in the big triangle PQS, in triangle PQS, so all of you note it down. So now if we're talking about PQS, then if we applying Pythagoras theorem, so for applying Pythagoras theorem we get PQ square. So Pythagoras in triangle PQS. So we get PS square equal to QS square plus PQ square. So PS is the capital R, QS. QS is what? SR plus RQ. If we write QS, SR plus RQ whole square plus PQ square. Okay, so one by one we put the value. What is SR? SR is the capital A. PQ, RQ is what? B cos theta plus PQ. PQ is what is the value of PQ? That is B sin theta whole square. So if we calculate, so A plus, this is A plus B ka whole square, or we can say X plus Y ka whole square. So what we get, that is A square plus B square cos square theta plus 2AB cos theta. And in the second bracket we get B square sin square theta. Okay, so this is B square cos square theta and this is B square sin square theta. So if we take common B square, then in bracket we get cos square theta plus sin square theta. And what is the value of cos square theta plus sin square theta? We all know from the trigonometric identity, that is cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. So A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta is the formula for R square. If we taking under root, square root, so R we get under root A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. So this formula is clear to all of you. r equal to under root a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. So one by one I explain all the things. So in triangle pqs we write ps square, that is hypotenuse. So hypotenuse square equal to base square plus perpendicular square. What is the value of ps? Ps is the value r qs. If we divide qs into two parts, that is sr plus rq. So sr plus rq, second line is clear, plus pq square. So sr, what is the value of sr? That is capital A plus rq b cos theta whole square plus what is the value of pq? That is b sin theta whole square. So if we write a square plus b square cos square theta plus 2ab cos theta plus b square sin square theta. So value is a square. We take b square common, so we get cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2ab cos theta. So if we calculate r square, then r square equal to a square cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. We write cos square theta plus sin square theta cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. So this is the value of cos square theta plus sin square theta. And if we take square root, then we get final value of capital R, that is under root a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Now if we want to calculate the resultant angle, so this is the angle alpha. So if we want to calculate what is the value of theta or what is the value of alpha, so we get cos square tan theta. If we talking about tan alpha, so see in triangle PQS, we write in triangle PQS. If we're talking about in triangle PQS, so tan alpha equal to what? Perpendicular upon base. So if we break SQ in two parts, we get SR plus RQ. Okay, so PQ is what? PQ is B sin theta, and SR plus RQ, that is A plus B cos theta. So this is the formula for tan alpha. So tan alpha formula is clear. So in this video we prove what is the resultant value for addition of two vectors and what is the resultant angle that makes with the vector capital A. Okay, so clear to all of you? Is there any doubt? Then tell me. Okay, student.